It is important to understand how the goods are shipped, and how much it costs to ship them. In this example, the market we are targeting is the American and the international market, through the countries we have previously defined. The other countries that don't match our segmentation will simply be excluded. Now, the transportation cost is calculated according to the following factors: the weight of the product, the type of packaging, the weight of the packaging, the shipping time, and handling costs. All of them make up the transport cost. Considering these elements, we will set up in our case, the price strategy for local shipping to the United States of America, and the international transport. As you can see in the shipping rate window, we can observe the elements we mentioned before, namely the shipping time, the shipping price to be calculated during the checkout, and the condition which triggers the price calculation. In this store, we decided that the purchases over $50 will have a free shipping. However, the free shipping should not generate additional costs that would be deducted from the profit, or even from the price of the product, so how do we go about it? Either we reduce the profit margin to cover these costs, or we negotiate the shipping cost to maintain the profit margin. Or we have a fairly large margin given the low production cost, and the selling price is in line with the target market. I can also decide to set my Shopify shipping cost according to the weight of the product. I can set for this example, if the weight of my product is between 0 and 1 pounds, the shipping cost is equal to $8. Taking into consideration the weight of the packaging, the weight of the product, the fulfillment time, and the shipping time. It is imperative to know exactly how much it will cost to ship the product, and understand its variables. You could consult with the carrier and try to bargain if possible. In this simplistic example, we based our choice on the USP's priority mail class. Don't hesitate to display the shipping time at checkout to reassure your customer and provide a better shopping experience.